My neighbor parks their fancy car in front of my house every day, taking up the best spot. When I finally got my own vehicle, I started parking in that same spot. It's completely legal since it's public street parking. This morning, they left an aggressive note on my windshield demanding I stop parking there because it's their spot. They claimed they've been parking there for years and deserve it. But hey, race the thing, I live here too, and it's first come, first serve. Instead of arguing, I decided to handle it differently. I now wake up extra early to ensure I get that spot. It's worth seeing their frustrated expression when they come home to find their spot taken. They've tried everything, leaving more notes, complaining to other neighbors, and even attempting to block the spot with traffic cones. But I know my rights, and am not backing down. The situation keeps escalating as they get more creative with their tactics. But sometimes you have to stand your ground, especially when someone tries to claim public property as their own.